Restoring order. Understanding the phrase. Hello, everyone. Today, we're diving into a fascinating English phrase, restore order. This phrase is commonly used in various contexts, and understanding it can significantly enhance your English comprehension and expression. Let's explore what it means and how you can use it in your conversations. Restore order refers to the act of bringing back a state of organization, peace, or normalcy after a period of chaos or disorder. It's often used in contexts where there has been some disruption, like in social situations, nature, or even personal life. For example, a teacher might restore order in a noisy classroom, or a government might take steps to restore order after a protest. 1. In society. When there's unrest or disruption in society, like during protests or strikes, authorities might take steps to restore order. This could involve negotiations, law enforcement, or other measures to ensure public safety and normalcy. 2. In nature. After natural disasters like earthquakes or floods, efforts to restore order include rescue operations, rebuilding homes, and providing aid to those affected. 3. In personal life. On a personal level, restoring order might involve organizing a messy room, planning a chaotic schedule, or resolving personal conflicts to bring back harmony. It's important not to confuse restore order with enforcing strict rules or authoritarian control. It's about re-establishing a balanced, peaceful, and functional state rather than imposing power or suppressing voices. When using this phrase, consider the context. Is it social, environmental, or personal? Pair it with appropriate actions or descriptions. For example, the community worked together to restore order after the hurricane. Use it in both formal and informal settings, but be mindful of its implications, especially in sensitive situations. Understanding and using the phrase, restore order, can add depth to your English communication, especially when discussing complex situations. Whether in social conversations, academic writing, or everyday speech, this phrase can be a powerful tool in your language arsenal. Hope this video has been helpful, and remember, language learning is a journey. Enjoy every step of it.